Hey YouTube, this is Netwire PC with another video on how to download and install Malwarebytes on your computer. Today we're going to use the Firefox browser. Go to the search engine, type Malwarebytes, click on that, scroll down to this one, make sure that it's actually malwarebytes.com, click there, go up to the top here where it says Personal, then go over to Malwarebytes for Windows, click there. Click on Free Download. Click Save File. And if you are using Firefox, up at the top here will be your download. Click at the top here. Hit yes. We're going to select personal use. Click Install. While we have a few seconds, please go in the comment section below and let me know any other videos that you're interested in seeing on computer related topics. And also please click the like button and to subscribe to this channel, please. So then you just click on Get Started. I would always select Maybe Later. Get Started. Maybe Later. And there you have it. You are all installed. Now as you see on the screen here, it says that you are on the premium 14-day free trial. If you do not want the premium, it's very simple to go to the free version. If you click up here at the gear and go to the account and go down to deactivate. And if you click on yes, it is now selected up at the top here for free trial. Just click close on the settings and you can run your scan by just clicking right here. Please click at the bottom the like button for me. Please subscribe to this channel, and if you have any other comments or questions, please put them below. Thank you and have a good day.